Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to give you guys a few different sound clips of the 2021 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro here. For those of you who don't know, this does have a 5.7 liter V8 tied to the TRD catback exhaust. And it does have a dual exhaust, but I'm going to be giving you kind of a side profile here for the cold start. So we'll start with a cold start, then I'll give you a few different, cases of which you can hear the good rumble of this engine here. So we'll do a couple drive-bys at various speeds to include like getting on the throttle from 0 to 45 miles per hour, something like that. So I hope you enjoy. We'll start with the cold start. Guys, so the Tundra's warmed up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and do a few revs, and then Mrs. Untamed is going to get on it. Alright, she'll be cruising by right around 30 miles per hour. And for this one, she'll be passing by right around 40. And for this one, I don't know what she's gonna do. Let's see. Sounds pretty good though, huh? Alright guys, well, let me know what you guys think. Figured I'd try to shake it up a bit today and kind of give you a glimpse of another aspect of the Tundra here. As always, I appreciate you watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Until next time.